How I get no. How do I get to the platform? To get to the platform, get up the stairs. Excuse me, where can I buy 2 tickets? How many tickets do I put in the turnstile? When do we get on the train? Okay. What should I do when I get to my destination?
Exacto, son dos oraciones.
I need go down 1 floor.
Need to.
I need to go down 1 floor. How do we take the escalators? If you need to leave the station, pass through the turnstile.
Tienen que pasar por los torniquetes.
You need to pass through the turnstile. If you want to get out, you must pass through the gates.